All this walking has given me the munchies.
Me too. I have some cravings for popcorn.
Do you hear that? Sounds like we need help. Let's fly.
What's that?
We heard they need a cure for the munchies.
Oh yes, can you help?
Yes, we can. We have several options to choose from. Caramel, premium caramel. It has nuts. Chocolate drizzled, and many more.
So how can we buy some delicious Cub Scout popcorn?
There are several ways. We're having a wagon sale now. You can also stop at one of our storefront sales through the month of October. And also you can use our code and buy online.
Oh no, I don't have any money with me.
Don't fret, young lady. We take debit and credit cards.
Really? That's great.
Whenever you buy popcorn from a scout, you help them with their scouting experience. Because of so many kind people, I've got to shoot BB guns and archery. I've even got to go to camp too. I want to mention, it helps us develop personal responsibility, goal-setting habits, salesmanship, public speaking, practical knowledge about how money works.
I think they got the picture, Thomas.
Please support scouting.
Let's order some popcorn!
I see popcorn. Thank you for supporting scouting.
No problem.
Check us out at Facebook and Instagram.
Our username is T&IS Popcorn Corner. Follow the link below to my page.
No, follow the link below to my page.
You can just order for both of us.